Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Model Kit Review. In today's episode, I'll be talking about 4 easy projects to help get you out of the slump and building again. All right, I know we've all been there. We've all gotten into a slump. And for me, what that looks like is I'll go and spend half an hour in my workshop. I'll look at the kits on the shelf. I might pull a couple of kits out of the overwhelming stash of models to be built and look through the contents of the box and put it back on the shelf. Or I might look through my kits that are in process and think about the next steps. But ultimately, after half an hour, I just haven't done anything. And I'm a little bit overwhelmed and I'm a little bit frustrated. There's just times where I need to do a quick and easy project, something simple that allows me a sense of completion. It allows me to put something on the shelf and it gets me back in the groove and jump starts my building process once again. The first and easiest project that you can do is figure painting. What could be easier than a one-piece model? I have a ton of leftover figures from my airplane kits. Every once in a while, I just need to sit down and get one of these out of the box and paint it. And I just brush paint them and do a little bit of weathering and try to finish them nicely. But I can finish one of these figures in a matter of about an hour. And again, it helps me to get my modeling mojo back. It helps me get back on track. And it gives me a sense of completion that I really appreciate. The figures also add dimension to your modeling shelf and kind of tell a story with your display instead of just having a static model sitting there. Another quick and easy project to do is to pick up an inexpensive aircraft kit and to build it for a child. I have a lot of children that are in my extended family and they love going down and looking at my model workshop, but they're not allowed to touch the models that I have. But I have a box of completed small-scale aircraft kits. They don't have landing gear extended. For the most part, they don't have guns protruding from the wings, and I have cut the prop blades off, but these are perfect for kids to play with. They can fly them around the workshop. I'm not too concerned if they drop them or break them, and I try to build them as robustly as I can, but still make them look interesting for the kids to play with. And it serves 2 purposes. 1, you get a kit completed, and 2, it keeps the kids from playing with your more serious models. Another quick and easy project to jumpstart your model building progress again is to pick up a simple kit and complete it. This is Tamiya's 1/48 scale V1 Buzz Bomb. It's a very simple kit. It has a minimal parts count and there's not too many decals on it. And so this is just a quick, easy build. This is another build that I did kind of in a slump where I just needed to complete something. So this was a really nice way to get something completed and put on the shelf. Again, when you have some varied subjects like this, it does add a lot of interest to your modeling shelf, and it's a fun and easy project to do. Another quick and easy project I've done is to take an aero engine and to build it and to build a little wooden display for it. And I can put this in front of the aircraft that it belongs to. I tend to build my aircraft kits buttoned up where I can appreciate the sleek lines of the fighters and bombers. Here you can see a MiG-3 in the background, and in the foreground is a MiG-3 engine from an ICM MiG-3 kit. So I had all of the parts to build this engine, and it was fairly nicely detailed. And I wanted to do just something quick and easy, so I built a stand out of toothpicks for it. And now on my MiG-3 display, I have a nice engine to go with it. All right, we've talked about 4 easy projects to do if you're a little bit stuck, if you're in a slump and haven't put anything on the shelf lately. These are just quick, easy projects to get your modeling mojo back, to get some stuff put on the shelf, and to give you a sense of completion that will get you going again. All right, I'd love to know if you guys have techniques to get out of the modeling slump. If so, please feel free to share in the comment section below. As always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative. And until next time, model on.